My friend, Judy, she hates cilantro. Explain why this happens.
I think it really is a taste thing. It's very controversial. Some people, if you don't like it, you just don't like cilantro. It certainly is so much more diverse than being able to use it on a taco. It's great on a taco, but it's used in Asian cuisine. It's used in Mediterranean cuisine. A lot of
Yes.
dishes from Mexico it's used in. I just love this product. And even though it's controversial, if you don't like it, then you don't like it. But if you love it, or if you're open to trying it, it really is an amazing product to use. And of course, the way that you tell us how to store basil, it's really easy to be able to do that because you just take this and just like you tell us, you take and snip off the basil, snip off those ends, and put it right in some water. And you can keep it right out on the kitchen counter like that. Change the water out every day if you're going to use it a few days later. If you want to store it a little longer, maybe put a lid on that, unlike the basil. But it really will hold. When you're in the store looking for it, look for stuff that's one of the things it does is will dehydrate. So look for good fresh stuff. And of course, where they put that rubber band around it, you want to look and make sure it's not got brown leaves or starting to decay. If it does, go to the back of the pile. Sometimes they put the oldest stuff in the front and reach to the back of the pile and pull that out. But if you're going to the farmer's markets, it's most likely going to be fresh every day. Look at this one.
Show that. What is it?
This has got the cilantro and the winter radishes in it.
So
And even if
simple.
you're cooking with the cilantro, throw a little bit of the fresh on top of it, and you can get a little bit of extra flavor to it.